I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new.
Hi guys! It's been a while. Ang dami ko ng backlogs. Pero halos wala talaga ako guys na energy to edit. Lalong-lalo na yung last vlog ko. Sa Balkan, hindi ko talaga halos magalaw-galaw kasi panaisip ko ng last vlog ko na yan with Papa. It really makes me emotional. Kaya parang ayoko din muna talaga siya ma-upload din agad. Nag-focus na ako sa work or sa kung anong bagay. Mostly food, K-drama. Kaya tingnan nyo, lumulobo tayo. Hindi ko justify but that's my life lately. Pero hopefully I could get back on track din soon. Anyway, today is April 23 and it's currently 7:06. Super konti lang ng clips ko from today because super pagod din talaga ako ngayon guys. Gumawa ko ng errands dito. May mga pinadala akong documents and whatsoever. Siyempre hindi ko na yun vlog. And then after naman nun, nag-mall na kami around 11:30. Ganon. Namili ako kasi pupunta kami ng Boracay tomorrow. We had lunch, late lunch sa Manhan, as usual. Kasi favorite place talaga namin yun. Lalong-lalo na ni Mama and ni Papa. I'm just going to do a little haul to show you the things that I got. I bought another pair of Birks. Ito for everyday na to kasi battered na guys yung mga slippers ko. And then, the next items are from Zara na. I bought this cute bag from Zara. Cute lang ng design. Gusto ko yung canvas siya. So, parang perfect din siya for the beach. And meron na din tong sling. So, pwede ko siyang sling bag. So, the first dress, actually ito, I'm saving this for a trip. Wala lang, nagandahan na din ako and need ko pang papayat for this dress. Parang golf dress. That's how I would describe it. Maganda siya. Maganda siya in person. Pero hindi siya pang Bora. And then this one naman, maganda rin yung top nito, pero walang size ko. This pleated mini skirt. This one naman, navy blue shorts na may belt. I also got this top. Malay nyo, magbalik alindog na tayo. Ayan. Super cute din kasi talaga na tong top na to. Hindi to pang Bora, but yan. It's a crop top. And meron siyang pang cinch ng waist dito sa may baba. Habang nag-unpack ko, may hindi pala ako nasama na top. Hindi ko lang alam kung dadalhin ko siya sa Bora kasi masyado na ako maraming dalang damit for a 3-day Boracay trip. It's just this black halter top from Zara and it's really nice kasi nasicinch na yung waist ko. Talagang yung sagad na sagad. So that's the last item that I got from Zara and then after that, we went to H&M. First is this white parang Kylie top. Ang ganda kasi ng quality. Like, nagulat nga ako na may ganito yung H&M. May ano lang dito. And then it's white. Tapos parang nasicinch yung waist. Fabric is really nice. And then I also got this scarf sa beach. Syempre mainit. Gaganyan na lang tayo. Mama Mary. Charot. Last item that I got today is this swimwear from Women's Secret. Medyo daring siya kasi ayan. Pero maganda yung quality ng swimsuit ito. Mas ma-appreciate to pag suot ko na. That's about it. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pack my things because maaga yung flight namin tomorrow. By the way, I'm with my mom and my sister, si Dichi. Kaming tatlo lang. And alam namin na Papa is with us in spirit. Kinakabahan nga ako kasi parang feeling ko pupunta namin, masasad na naman. And awan ko, ganito ba talaga pag na-experience mo yung grief? Like, para siyang yo-yo diet. Sometimes, pag di mo naiisip, you feel like you're okay. Pero when you realize na your loved one is gone, ayun na naman. Parang pinagbagsakan ka na naman ng lupa. It's really, really hard, guys. Good morning. It's currently 6:50 and alis na kami in a few minutes. So no time to apply some makeup. Pero I just want to show you my OOTD. This linen romper is from Mango and then this rubber slippers from Zara and then bag. Tapos shades from Chanel. Ready na kami. Ayan na yung mga maleta. So, cute ang bag.
said I kinda wanna shoot my shot. Been writing some songs out of my
Mama bought a book to read.
it off. Just turned 25 and I feel so lost. And you said, don't do it for them, don't do it for me. Just do it cause I know it's what you wanna do. Everybody laughed when I dropped out. Good luck singing songs no one cares about. Only one face in an empty crowd, but you knew every line and I heard you shout, oh, oh. Don't do it for them, don't do it for me. Just do it cause I know it's what you wanna do.
It's currently 11:45 and wala pang room available. Mamaya pang 3 p.m. So, maghanap na kami ng makakainan for brunch kasi di pa kami kumain ng breakfast and it's already lunchtime.
Even though we're now short, I know you go far, don't quit on me. No, it was never easy, we were broken, depressed, but we came out of the trenches and we made our offense. Yeah, I doubted every single second I spent, but you believed in me before I even saw myself. Now I do it for them, I do it for you, I do it cause this is what I was made for. Oh, oh. Written in my soul is what you told me. Don't quit your daydream. Don't you get another job, you can tell the haters off. Don't quit your daydream. Yeah, no matter what it costs, I wanna see you in the stars. One day you'll thank me. Even though right now it's hard, I know you go far, don't quit on me.
Room tour. Here's our room for 2 nights. Meron ditong queen size bed or king and then one solo bed. Ito yung view. Ay, may puwet. Ayan, yung balcony. It's so nice actually. Sa 3rd floor kami. Tchaam! May view habang natutulog. Sarap. May curtain naman siya. So, yun lang guys. So, I just took a bath. It's currently 2:54 in the afternoon and hindi ko kinaya yung init guys. Of course, it's summer. Itong pupuntahan namin to have our massage. First time talaga namin to. Actually, sinearch ko lang siya dito sa TikTok. Denaru Spa. Dirigan ko yung review niya. Okay siya. Yun yung nirecommend ko kay mama. And kung ano yung nirecommend ko, usually yun na rin naman kasi hindi rin naman sila nagsisearch na.
My friends don't care about everything as long as you got a story to bring. We'll take you along, take you along, take you along to some other places. We drive towards the other horizon, maybe to spend a couple hundred till we run out, till we run out, till we run out of paper and change. Though tell me if I'm starting to think so recklessly, I may just write a letter home to say goodbye to everyone.
Okay, time for dinner naman. First time namin na magta-try dito.
Come and see the world in a different light and capture it with our own eyes and take a risk. I just hope that I remember this, cause one day it is something I will miss. Oh, my friends think I'm a different kind, but there's nothing wrong with sharing my mind to everyone else. Everyone else, everyone else will think that it's weird, so maybe I might start keeping it clean and bear with the whole unusual.
After we had dinner, bumalik na kami dito sa hotel and nag-pray kami for Papa. Tapos, lumabas kami ni Dichi. Naglahat-lahat kami. Then we had dessert. Nakabihis na ako. I'm ready to sleep. Tomorrow, I'll try to wake up early kasi magsiswim ako sa dagat. Yun lang yung perfect time to swim. So, good night guys. I'll see you tomorrow. So, it's currently 6:09 in the morning and we are going to swim sa dagat.
Okay.
Katapos ko lang mag-picture and now magsuswim na ako sa dagat.
Falling head over heels, sealed by a true love's kiss. Embers in the air, flickers everywhere, a fire you just can't miss. Now the older I get, the more I reminisce. I want it sincerely, so I'm still daydreaming. I see it so clearly. If you're out there, come find me. When I fall in love, all the sparks will fly, lighting up the sky like the fireworks on the 4th of July. The city will ignite,
I let you complicate everything, like puzzle pieces you rearrange. I wouldn't change it for anything. The way it's pouring, but I kinda need the rain. There's certain things that I'm letting go, like my old shoes that you threw away. Cause I'm so much better with you than alone. We're going for broke, but I love the change. Now I'm in heaven, I have to have it. My hands up, my hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith, I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe.
Pabalik na kami guys sa hotel and dumadaan kami dito sa may shore. Ayan. Baka mag-swim kami sa pool. Bibili muna kami ng Rash Guard Beach. Ito yung Bora paggabi. So guess where we are? We are at Ice Flakes again. This is my second bowl of the day. Kasi uwi na kami tomorrow and hindi ko pa natatry yung halo-halo. I hope it's good. Si Dichi, she got coconut. Hey guys! Ay, gabi nakakamiss si Papa. Si Papa yung usually kasama ko pag nagsuswim. For sure, kung kasama natin si Papa ngayon, physically, nagsuswim din kami. Ba't di ka sumama? APD ko, sana all. Charot. Vlog takeover. Hindi ah.
You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me, butterfly feeling, edge of a
So, good morning. It's the next day. And we are going to the breakfast buffet. At iwan namin to.
I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you. Yeah, it's been so long, but it feels brand new.